This tutorial will help parents digitally sign documents that have been uploaded by the school. So I'm going to switch across into my parent portal. So you would be logging in as yourself as a parent. You're going to view your children. So if you've got more than one child in the school, you can view all your different children. And then you're simply going to just click on the little edit icon here. And then go across to documents. Scroll right down. And you can see when it says school documents. So these are the parent handbook, the enrollment 2024. Now let's say that we want to go and just click on it. So enrollment 2024. Let's open it up. Now the school wants this digitally signed. So all you do is click the, I'm just going to make this page a little bit smaller so everyone can see it. There we go. Okay. Click on the pen icon. Now that's going to drop your signatures down, so you can upload your signature. This is the PDF preview module. Add your signature. And you'll just do that for every page. So you'll just do that again. Add your signature. Okay. Once you've done that, simply click on the little pen icon again, and then click on export. You're going to save that enrollment agreement to your desktop. Let's close that down quickly. And then once you're happy, just click on, we go back to Child Cloud, click on choose file. And then here is your KinderArc enrollment, there we go, enrollment 2024. And then click on save changes. So now when you scroll down, you're going to see enrollment module, you can click on it. And then there's your signature. So when the school logs in, I'll just show you what the school administrator sees. They're going to log in, and they are going to be able to now search for your child, and they can go straight into your child's profile, and they can view that enrollment module as well. So it's digitally signed and it's saved against your child's profile. If you have any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.